Hey guys, James here with the nice dent in the roof rail of this Corolla, and I'm going to answer a couple questions. First of all, can you fix a dent in a roof rail? So this is a roof rail right here on this car. Can you fix a dent with paintless dent removal on a roof rail? How can you do it? And hopefully I'll answer those questions in this video for you. Hey guys, I'm all finished with this Corolla. The dent came out pretty good. It's not 100% perfect, but yes, you can fix dents on a roof rail. It all depends on the level of expertise of your technician. And the way you do it is through the glue pulling method that you saw me do. It's a special type of hot glue that's put on the panel with a special tab that's pulled off, and you do that, you flatten it out, you do that process a million times until it looks good. But that process, depending on how bad the dent is, doesn't always come out perfect. It always depends on how severe the dent is and the level of expertise of your technician. So there you have it.